Hello, my name is Momoro Bradovich, and in this video I will be going over problem 5 from web work assignment number 13. In this problem, it's asking us to see if the following vector fields given to us are conservative or not. And if it is conservative, we must type in the potential function. So, first part of the problem is f of x equals 16x plus 2yi plus 2x plus 2yj. So first we have to see if this problem is conservative. And to see if it is, we'll go over here. So basically, first we have to find dm over dy, which is 2, since 16x plus 2y equals 2. Then we have to find dn over dx, which is for 2x plus 2y, which is 2. And since dm over dy is the same as dn over dx, it's considered conservative. And now that we know that's conservative, we have to find the potential for it. So in order to find the potential, first we have to find the antiderivative of 16x plus 2y with respect to x. And by doing so, we get 8x squared plus 2xy plus c1y. Then we do the same thing again for 2x plus 2y, where we have to find the antiderivative of it with respect to y. And the answer given to us is 2xy plus y squared plus c2x. Then we know that c1y equals y squared plus k, and c2x is 2xy plus k. And by putting it all together, we get f of xy equals 8x squared plus 2xy plus y squared plus k. Now, on to the next problem, which is f of xy equals 8yi plus 9xj. So, like before, we have to find dm over dy and dn over dx. So for dm over dy, it's going to be 8, and for dn over dx, it's going to be 9. And since 8 is not equal to 9, the answer is non-conservative. So here we'll just put it as n for not conservative. Now for the next problem, we have to do 8xi plus 9yj. So first, we find dm over dx and dn over dy, and they're both going to be 0, and since they're both 0, it's conservative. And now we have to find the potential function. So for 8x with respect to x, we get 4x squared plus c1y, and then for f of xy equals the antiderivative of 9y dy, it equals 9 over 2 times y squared plus c2x. And now we list what c1y is, which is 9 over 2y squared plus k. And for c2x, we get 4x squared plus k. And then by putting it all together, we get f of xy equals 4x squared plus 9 over 2 times y squared plus k as our answer. And next up for d, we have to find dm over dx and dn over dy for 8 sine yi plus 4y plus 8x cosine yj. dm over dx is going to be 8 cosine y, and dn over dy is going to be 8 cosine y as well. And since they're both the same, it's conservative. Now we gotta find the antiderivative of 8 sine y to dx, which is going to be 8x sine y plus c1y. Then for f of xy equals antiderivative of 4y plus 8x cosine y dy, the answer is going to be 2y squared plus c2x. So c1y is going to be 2y squared plus k, and c2x is going to be 8x sine y plus k. Putting it together, we get f of xy equals 8x sine y plus 2y squared plus k. And then, for the final part of the problem, we have to solve for f of xy equals 8 sine yi minus 8 cosine yj. So first we gotta find dm over dy, which is going to be 8 cosine y, and then for dn over dx, we're going to get negative, we're going to find the antiderivative of negative 8 cosine y dx, which is 0. since 8 cosine of y is not equal to 0, the answer is going to be not conservative. Now we go back here and we'll check to see if the answers we put in are correct. And they are correct. All of them are. So anyway, I hope this video helped you have a better understanding for this topic, and hope you all do well on the test. Thank you.